Let me show you how this
Okay, you've been stopped for license plate.
led to this.
Let go of the gun! I got it. You got a gun permit on you?
No, but I go.
On the 6th of October 2022, during a routine patrol, police noticed a vehicle with an unreadable paper tag which had expired. They initiated a traffic stop, and upon approaching the 21-year-old driver, officers quickly noticed something is wrong.
Okay, you've been stopped for license plate. I can't understand what your plate's reading there.
Alright, so I just drove from Georgia. So I've been trying to get my car registered and insured, but I'm going to my mom's house. She's supposed to be doing it.
Okay, all right.
Because I couldn't register and insure it because the paper was signed wrong. But I'm going. She got my.
So
paper.
that tag's expired, right? That's on the back of the car?
I just found that out just yesterday.
Okay, all right. You have a driver's license?
I don't have it on me, but I know my driver's license.
Why don't you have your license on you?
I forgot it. All my stuff is in my mom's car. I'm meeting her right now.
Okay.
You want me to call her?
No, what I want you to do is write your information down here for me. I need your Florida driver's license information. Do you have a Florida driver's license?
I'm from Rhode Island.
Have you ever had a Florida driver's license?
No, I just moved down here.
No valid tags, no driver's license, and the only thing she has is weird behavior. The girl's hand gestures, an insecure and frightened demeanor, suggest she is experiencing significant anxiety. This could be due to being pulled over by the police, which can be a nerve-wracking experience for many individuals, especially if they are aware of having committed a violation, or maybe she might be worried about other potential issues that the police may discover upon further investigation.
She looks like she's got impairment, and you can smell the burnt cannabis in the car.
Yeah, there's a bunch of...
So she's actively driving a smoke. Oh, there's some in there?
While these two officers were having their conversation, the girl simply started freaking out in the background.
What are you upset about?
My cousin. So my cousin had passed away, and I just need her. That's why I moved back. Cause I don't got no one. I just want my mom.
Let me tell you why I have officers here, okay?
Yeah.
In just a few seconds, I'm going to do a roadside evaluation to see if you've operated a vehicle while in a state of impairment off of the cannabis that you've been smoking. You can't operate a vehicle in Florida after you've consumed, ingested, or whatever controlled substances.
Wanna meet me? I just want my mom, please.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we got to do this first, okay? So you already told me that you smoked a little bit of marijuana before you drove. About how long ago was that?
Probably like 30 minutes ago.
Okay. And you do not have a medical marijuana card?
No.
So
my mom was there.
When you smoke or when you drink alcohol or anything that is intoxicating, okay, you can't operate the vehicle.
No,
when that
but I was
intoxication
parked
gets
when I smoked.
Huh?
I was parked when I smoked.
It's somewhat astounding how casually she mentioned that she last consumed it half an hour before driving, emphasizing that it wasn't during the drive itself. This just shows she's unaware of the risks associated with driving under the influence. This is concerning because even if cannabis is consumed prior to driving, it can still impair one's ability to drive safely. THC, the primary psychoactive component of the substance, can impact motor skills, reaction time, and decision-making capabilities. She claims she is using it for medicinal purposes, but does not have any document that would support such a claim. Now, let's see if there is anything else the police could find.
Are you okay? Are you okay to stay with us? Okay. We'll talk about what we're getting ready to do. It's real simple. Hey, the one thing I would offer to do is if she wants to remove the shoes and do it in her socks, she can. Yeah. It's up to you.
All right, we're gonna place you under arrest for suspected DUI, okay?
Can you call my mom?
We will take care of that.
Listen, I'm gonna double lock these so they don't tighten up on you, all right?
Can you call my mom?
Yep, we will.
Call my mom.
Think of 15, we're 10, 15.
Mom.
We will. We'll take care of it.
Call my mommy, please.
Right now, at this point, she's arrested for suspected DUI. But then, something totally unexpected happened. From the onset of her encounter with the police, the suspect was cooperative and showed no signs of aggression. The officers did not consider searching her as there was absolutely no suspicion that this might occur.
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Pardon me?
I have my cousin's gun on me.
Stop. Stop. Don't reach.
I've got a gun, yep.
Ow,
Get let go of it! Let go of it! Let go!
Let go!
Let go!
Let go of the gun!
I got it.
I'm sorry, let go. Just take it out, please. I'm sorry. I'm scared. This sounds traumatized.
We're calm, we're good.
I mean, I can't breathe.
Well, you don't grab it if you fire it or you shot
I mean,
somebody.
I'm sorry. I'm doing like friendly to you. I'm sorry, sir. This is my cousin's gun.
Okay, all right, we'll figure it out.
This is my ex-boyfriend's cousin. Can you call my mom?
No, you'll do that later. All right, let's finish the search.
Yep.
Get her a position we can.
Yep. Just make sure nothing else, right?
My life is over. I didn't do nothing, I promise. I go to the gun range. I'm clean. You can search me, I promise, yo. I promise, yo, my dead cousin. I don't got nothing. I go to the gun range with my brother and my cousin. Oh, man. I might be pregnant, too. I don't know.
You didn't have to cut me off. I can never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you
All right, is she searched?
Yeah,
Let's
you
bring
can
her up.
search
Go ahead and
me.
stand up.
I'm
Yeah,
up.
I'll stand up.
Here we go,
Can you pick
stand
up
up.
my glasses?
Stand up, stand up. Yeah. Let's finish the search and then.
Y'all got me. It's cool.
All right.
I don't got nothing. I promise I'm clean. I didn't shoot nobody.
All right, well, we
I
got to
go the
continue
gun
what we're
range.
doing. All right, we're
You
good.
see the paper behind. I go to the gun range. I go to the gun range. I promise you. I
Okay,
do.
I understand. You got a gun permit on you?
No, but I go to the gun range. They
Okay,
allowed
that's a
to.
concealed carry, but we can talk about that later.
I didn't know,
You're
I'm
comfortable with our
sorry.
search? All right,
They allow us to bring guns to the gun range, though.
okay. All right, it would have been nice if you'd have told us about it from the beginning.
You got a brown paper bag?
I wasn't worried about the gun till her hands got
Right,
on it, and then she
right.
wouldn't release
That's
it.
the thing.
Plus, she's going to pull the trigger, you know. You're fine. Don't bang your head. That's just being silly. It's not going to get you anywhere. Just relax.
Having a firearm in one's possession, especially while under the influence, can be risky. If she's carrying it legally, it indicates a potential lapse in judgment to be driving under the influence while armed. If she's carrying it illegally, it raises further questions about her intentions or potential criminal activity. What started as a seemingly minor traffic violation escalated into more serious offenses: DUI and possession of a firearm. This progression underscores the importance of routine traffic stops, as they can sometimes lead to the detection of more serious criminal activity.